this year, Osujo, Yada Saint, Yabahuanim, Ewadi, Ebeka, a form beer, Premtobre Kasee, Yadamo boy Ryan for Fromo, na some concern Cape Coast Technical University alumni for be any and said ye. Project bebre akansen semo e wo school no emu ne nsase human so twe nti emma school no nkonanim said nke wo so mo ekro no e wo empuntuo ene niema bebre mo wo nsam no on Adom TV Kasee edin komoyi
adesuafo bi a Cape Coast Technical University ene wo kwaji nimdie ayensamtrofo nhyiamu e de atugya se enwumu ahodo a wo hyase ye wo school mu hono mu a wagya ato hono mu ene mansotwe bi a ekoso e wo suapon ni mu no enya de se eso wonu mu ani kura ni nyina ka ho bi ana ama impumtu akachire e wo suapon ni mu Emmanuel Kofi ene disa edom yanim asemtrofo nhyiamu na se no ene wadi tugya se bia koye enni empanyifo a wonum edasuapon na no entem no ka ho bi ena mansotwe bebre ekoso nsenti wonum afasa asemtrofo nhyiamu yi so e de adesrede ato soafo a ohwa adesua ho nsem so e wo man mu Ghana Tertiary Education Commission ene ka biomufo nyina animu se won hwe sansensem no won siesi se ne ebe ya suapon no ebetumi etumpon.
Concerned alumni of Cape Coast Technical University, Cape Coast. Dear Honorable Minister of Education, call for immediate removal of the Council Chairman of Cape Coast Technical University. We, the concerned members of Cape Coast Technical University alumni, Cape Coast, kindly bring to you your attention some developments at the Cape Coast Technical University, which, if not checked, could bring the university to its knees. This negative act are orchestrated by the council chairman. Even though University Council is to foster linkage and collaboration with relevant national and international industries and institutions in furtherance of the mission of the Technical University, this is not the case at Cape Coast Technical University, as the council chairman has demonstrated per his actions that he does not mean well for the university.
Yamani boni eto aso ekompanyinfo a wonum edosiapon na no aseye ekobisa wonum se sobo a wode abo wonum no koreben enewu mu unu wonum edito nanim se University Council no ehye empanyinfo a wodesiapon no ano sense asibi a waton ama private developer bi no wonfa ho hyehyeye emeto wonum anim no hu ekwan pa obetumi afaso aye contract e wonum mienu entem council no de to Yamani boni anim se onum behwe abo school na japade nyina ho ban se de beya ebebo amadachi bimpumtu abasiapon ni mu.
He has virtually kicked against decisions that will speed up development and progress at Cape Coast Technical University. Indeed, since assuming office in 2017, he has not initiated any linkage, collaboration, or lobbied for any development project on campus.